everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Srishti and in today's video I'm going to be sharing my go-to makeup look when I'm wearing glasses. So if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. I'm going to start with priming my face, and for primer I'm using Colorbar's Perfect Match Primer. I'm going to apply it to my T-zone because that is my problem area. After priming, I'm going to move on to color correcting, for which I'm going to use a red lipstick by L'Oreal. It is the matte lip paint. Although it says matte, it is not really matte. It is a creamy lip paint which makes it perfect for color correcting under the eyes. I'm going to use my ring finger to blend it really well and then move on to concealing. For which I'm going to use this Maybelline concealer and then blend it as well. Next, I'm using this foundation from Maybelline. I'm going to put dots on my face first and then blend it using a beauty blender. And then I'm going to use a lighter concealer to brighten under my eyes. I'm going to blend it with my finger first and then with the beauty blender. And to set it, I'm using this blush brush from Oriflame and compact from L'Oreal. Next, I'm going to tame my eyebrows, for which I'm using this Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. And now I'm going to move on to my eye makeup. I'm going to start with using a brown kajal. And next, I'm going to line the outer corner of my both top and bottom lash line. Then smudge it using an angular brush. For today, I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette from NYX. And I'm going to use the darkest shade to layer the smudged kajal. And then I'm going to use this dark brown shade and apply it to the outer corner of my crease and blend it inwards to create depth. Next, I'm going to use this pink glitter shade and put it all over my eyelid. And also brighten the inner corner with the same shade. And then I'm just going to curl my lashes and use this mascara from L'Oreal for my top lashes. This makes my lashes look more fuller. And then I'm going to use this Maybelline's Falsies mascara for my lower lashes. And then I'm going to use this contour powder from Sugar and contour my cheekbones, my forehead, my jawline and also my nose. For blush, I'm going to use this liquid lipstick from Chambord instead of a powder blush. I'm going to take some on the back of my hand and then apply it using my fingers. And then use a sponge to blend it really well. Since this is a very velvety sort of liquid lipstick, it will not budge and also not transfer to your glasses. And then powder my face using the same L'Oreal compact powder. And then use this lightest eyeshadow shade as a highlighter and highlight the highest points of my cheeks, my nose and my brow bones. And lastly for lips, I'm going to use the same liquid lipstick I used as a blush. And this is the finished look. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.